Hey everyone, welcome back to Coin Collector, your favorite channel for rare coins, hidden treasures, and amazing coin facts from around the world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and ring the bell so you never miss a rare coin update. Today, we're diving deep into one of Australia's most fascinating modern coins, the 2005 Australian 50-cent coin. Is it rare? Is it valuable? Could you have one lying around worth much more than face value? Stay tuned to find out. Let's start with the basics. The Australian 50-cent coin is a staple in Australian currency. It's large, 12-sided, and instantly recognizable. But not all 50-cent coins are created equal, and 2005 was a particularly interesting year. The 2005 coin features the traditional coat of arms of Australia, designed by Stuart Devlin, a renowned Australian goldsmith and jeweler. Queen Elizabeth II's portrait is on the obverse, the front side, designed by Ian Rank. Broadly, this version of her portrait was used from 1999 to 2019. In 2005, over 25 million standard 50-cent coins were minted in Australia for general circulation. That might sound like a lot, and it is, but here's where it gets interesting. While the standard coin was minted in large numbers, 2005 also saw the release of a commemorative version of the 50-cent coin, one that many collectors are after today. In 2005, the Royal Australian Mint issued a commemorative coin to honour Sir Edward Weary Dunlop, a hero of World War II and one of Australia's most respected medical figures. This coin was not released into circulation. It was only available in uncirculated mint packs and postal numismatic covers. This coin shows a stylized portrait of Sir Edward Dunlop with inscriptions and imagery reflecting his service and compassion. It's an incredible tribute and very different from the circulating version. Alright, let's talk value. Most 2005 circulating 50-cent coins with the coat of arms are still worth face value, just 50 cents, unless they're in pristine condition. But the Weary Dunlop commemorative? That's another story. In 2025, these coins in mint condition can sell for $10 to $30 Australian dollars, depending on packaging and condition. Coins graded professionally as uncirculated or MS, mint state, can go even higher. And remember, they weren't released for general use, so if you've got one of these, you likely bought it directly from the mint or inherited it. Time for some coin trivia, because who doesn't love a fun fact? The 50-cent coin is the largest Australian coin in mass and diameter still in circulation. It weighs 15.55 grams and has a diameter of 31.65 millimeters. The dodecagon, 12-sided, shape has been used since 1969 after the round silver 50-cent coin of 1966 was withdrawn due to rising silver prices. Sir Edward Weary Dunlop once said, "Courage, mateship, and compassion, these are the Australian virtues." His coin reflects those values perfectly. Now here's where things get tricky. Some people have reported finding fake 2005 coins or coins with strange errors, but here's the truth. No major minting error. Coins are known for the standard 2005 50 cent. So if you see listings online claiming a minting error without photo proof or certification, be careful. However, always keep an eye out for things like double strikes, off-center coins, or clip planchets. These can sometimes make an otherwise normal coin highly collectible. Got a 2005 50-cent coin and want to know if it's worth something? Here's how to check. Flip the coin and check both sides. Make sure it has the coat of arms. If it has Sir Weary Dunlop's portrait, congrats, that's the collectible one. Look at the edges and surfaces. No heavy scratches or dents means higher value. Check the shine. Uncirculated coins have a lustrous, reflective surface. Weigh it. If it's way under 15.55 grams, it might be worn or fake. If you've got a 2005 coat of arms coin, it's probably only worth 50 cents, unless it's in mint state or part of a full year set. But if you own the Weary Dunlop commemorative coin, it's absolutely worth holding on to. Its value has slowly increased over time and could continue to do so, especially for higher grade specimens. The 2005 Australian 50-cent coin might not be the rarest in your collection, but it's a great reminder that even common coins can carry history, meaning, and, occasionally, value. In the Weary Dunlop commemorative coin, that one's a gem. It pays tribute to one of Australia's greatest wartime heroes and is a favorite among collectors. So, check your collections, your change, and your coin jars. Who knows what treasures are hiding in plain sight? Thanks for watching another episode of Coin Collector. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2005 50-cent coin, don't forget to like the video, share it with your fellow collectors, and drop a comment if you've got this coin or any other rare finds. Subscribe for more coin mysteries, history, and value guides every week.